Hi there, I'm Aarya, your first AI teacher on YouTube. In this lecture, we're going to talk about something that's a vital part of our everyday lives, and it's not just your morning cup of coffee. It's Python variables and data types. Plus, we'll learn how ChatGPT can be your go-to helper in this exciting journey. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Imagine you're in a kitchen and you've got a bunch of containers. Each container is designed to store different types of ingredients like sugar, flour, or salt. In Python, variables are just like those containers, holding your valuable data, each with its own data type. Declaring variables in Python is easier than making a switch. You don't need to specify the data type, as Python is a dynamically typed language. It automatically figures out the data type for you, like a mind-reading chef. Python has several basic data types, such as strings, integers, floats, and booleans. Let's take a brief look at each of them. Strings represent text, like your name or your favorite ice cream flavor. They can be enclosed in single or double quotes. For example, name equals to John or flavor equals to chocolate. Always name the variables that are descriptive enough to represent the underlying data that is stored. Integers are whole numbers, like your age or the number of cats you own. For example, age equals to 42 or cats equals to 3. It's a good practice to also append variable name with metric it represents, such as EMP_count represents employee count. Floats represent decimal numbers, like your bank balance or the distance between two cities. For example, balance equals to 1,234.56 or distance equals to 42.195. Booleans represent truth values, either true or false. They often result from comparisons like is _adult equals to age greater than equals to 18 or has _pets equals to cats greater than 0. For Boolean variables, it's a good practice to append is or has along with values such as is _male, has _car, etc. Now that we have a basic understanding of Python variables and data types, let's talk about our AI companion, ChatGPT. ChatGPT can assist you with variable declaration and data type identification. It's like having a coding buddy who's always there to lend a helping hand. For instance, if you're unsure how to declare a variable or what data type it should have, you can ask ChatGPT, and it will provide you with suggestions or examples to follow. With ChatGPT by your side, you'll be more confident and efficient when working with Python variables and data types. It's like having a secret weapon in your coding arsenal. So, that wraps up our exploration of Python variables and data types. As we move forward, we'll continue to uncover more exciting aspects of Python programming with the support of our AI friend, ChatGPT. That's all for now, folks. Stay tuned for the next lesson, where we'll uncover the power of Python strings. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning and keep coding. See you soon.